Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
You start by installing a journaling app and signing into iCloud so your entries sync. Tap New Journal, choose a template that fits daily notes or reflective entries, and name it clearly. Once done, add a primary tag and adjust privacy settings. This prevents accidental sharing. Make sure to set automatic backups to iCloud or export frequency to PDF, because losing context later wastes time. Now you have a structured file ready for immediate entries. Let's add your first page. You'll now capture entries with a consistent routine. Start with a heading and a timestamp, then use a short template for mood, highlights, and action items. Use the Apple Pencil or keyboard. Handwritten notes convert if supported, so you can mix text, photos, and short audio clips for context. Once done, tag the entry with keywords and move it into the proper folder. This makes search and review fast. If media grows, compress or offload large files to keep the journal responsive. Finish by reviewing entries weekly. Summarize progress, extract action items, and archive older notes into yearly folders. Export important sections as PDF or ZIP to external storage and verify file size before deleting originals. If syncing or faulty entries occur, first toggle iCloud sync, reconnect to a stable Wi-Fi network, and restart the app. This fixes most issues. If problems persist, export and reinstall the app. Then re-import your backup. This preserves content and restores normal operation.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.